Hi, in this video we're going to do a rhythmical exercise that focuses in on the left hand for speed and control. Okay, so let's break down each hand individually. The left hand is going to be playing a downstroke, a tap and an upstroke. That's it. Okay, so again using the motions. If you're not sure what the 4-stick motions are, go and check out some of my previous videos. You'll need these under control for this to work. All right, so that's all the left hand's doing, and the right hand's doing an even more simple one, just the down up, down, up, down, up. So we're combining a 3-note pattern with a 2-note pattern. Okay, so as far as time signatures and rhythm goes, the left hand's going to be playing straight 8th notes or quavers, and we're going to be in 3/4 time. So that would sound like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 1. So the rhythm of the right hand is quarters or crotchets. And we're playing a down-up motion. So if we stay in 3/4, the counting for that would be this: 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. So it takes like 2 bars to come back to the downbeat accent on beat 1. Okay, so let's just put this together nice and slowly and see how it sounds. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Bit faster. 1 and 2 and 3. And a bit faster. 1 and 2 and 3. So doing this exercise where another rhythm is sort of being played in a different grouping is a real distraction from what the left hand is doing. And I found that it's a great way to get this left hand sort of subconscious, if you like, because so much attention is drawn towards the combination of this rhythm that the left hand is sort of just goes, eventually anyway, just goes on automatic pilot. And it's almost like the right hand demands a bit more attention mentally, and the left hand just ends up on this autopilot. And I think that once you get to that stage with it, that's when the speed and control really comes. So that's the idea behind this sort of tricky rhythmical pattern, is to sort of distract the brain and start to subconsciously just have this left hand, playing this sort of down tap up motion. All right, thanks for watching. Take care. See you on the next one. Cheers.